Hi Kiha.
Hi.
Okay, sorry for the interruption. I tak tahu tiba-tiba je macam kenapa senyap lain macam ni. Okay, now can you guys see my screen, my notes, nota? Boleh nampak?
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, I repeat balik. I was talking about the definition of mathematically similar. Okay, mathematically similar ni bila when we have two shapes that have all angles in the shapes are equal. Angles kat dalam shape tu sama, kita panggil dia mathematically similar. Okay, and we relate two similar shape of different sizes with scale factor. Okay, saya buat tulisan merah scale factor. Can you guys tell me, can you guys please respond, bila masa dalam tahun ni kita pernah dengar perkataan scale factor ni? Tajuk apa?
Enlargement.
Enlargement. Yes, thank you. Dalam tajuk transformation, okay? When we talk about the topic transformation, kita ada belajar enlargement where two shapes can be enlarged or can be reduced in size according to scale factor. So similar shapes ni sama juga. When we talk about similar shapes, dia akan melibatkan perubahan size. Perubahan size objek tu sama ada dia lagi besar ataupun dia lagi kecil, tapi dia punya angles dalam tu tetap sama. So kita panggil dia similar shape. So when we talk about this topic class, it's very important to talk about to take care or to put your concentration on the scale factor. Okay, let's continue. Okay, you can use the following table to find the corresponding measure of a mathematically similar shape. Okay, nota ni, table ni I got from Madam Haslinda, which is nice. Yang bahagian atas ni lah, table ni dikasih kat saya. Okay, when we talk about measure, okay, kita tengok on the left hand side, is measure. On the right hand side, multiplier or divider. Okay, kat sini nak cakap, bila kita ada two similar shape, okay, when we want to compare the length. Kalau nak compare length, kita the multiplier or divider that will be used is scale factor ataupun simbol scale factor. It is symbolized as small letter K, K kecil. Okay. Kalau area, we will talk about K square. And if it's volume, it will become K cube. Okay. So all similar shapes we will compare. So class, in this topic later on kita akan tengok, kita akan buat comparison on three different dimension. Tiga benda yang berbeza. We will focus on length, we will be focusing on area, and the last one will be focusing on volume. So if it's regards length, it will be involve K, scale factor. If it's area, K square, scale factor square. If it's volume, it will be involving K cube, scale factor cube. Okay, so kita tengok So in summary, ni saya buat nota saya sendiri dalam conclusionnya, kita akan guna benda ni nanti, tiga benda. Okay, when you want to compare lengths, please use this pyramid. Okay, I made this pyramid for you. I made this up. Pyramid yang saya akan gunakan IOK, which I, small letter I stands for image, O is for object, K is scale factor. Okay, kalau nak cari I, O dengan K, kalau duduk kat bawah ni, di sebelah-sebelah maknanya darab. Kalau kita cari O, image per dengan K. Image divides. Kalau nak cari K, image divides O. Okay, ni bila melibatkan length. Okay, next, when you want to compare areas, nak bandingkan surface area, you want to compare the what is area? Luas. Okay, you will be using this formula. Please memorize this. AI equal K square times AO. AI tu apa? AI is area of image. K square is scale factor square. AO is area of object. And lastly, when you want to compare volumes of different shapes, please use VI equal K cube times VO. VI is volume of image. K cube adalah scale factor cube. VO is volume of object. Okay, before we further on, class, I would love to remind you guys, I would love to share with you guys that in this topic, similarity, actually, there's no object or there's no image. Maksud saya, because this is not a transformation. This is not under the topic enlargement. So, tak ada kita, tak ada macam tetap. There's no fixed that we can say, oh, this is the object and this is the image. Macam tajuk transformation. No. Tapi, I suka gunakan istilah object and image ni supaya senang students nak ingat. Okay, if you look up for this formula, AI equal K square times AO, VI equal K cube times VO, memang you takkan jumpa pun dalam your textbook. It's not there. Tapi this one, tiga formula ni I wujudkan untuk you senang hafal dan senang nak gunakan bila kita cakap pasal length, area dengan volume. Okay, later I will show to you and I will guide you from question to question. Saya dah prepare a lot of examples. So kita akan tengok macam mana nak guna tiga benda ni. Okay. Alright. Saya nak buang the paper. Tak nak distract. Let's look at this example. Okay. Saya terskip. This one dulu. Example 1. Shapes A and B are mathematically similar. Find the missing side length marked X. Alright. Yang ni sebenarnya you dah jawab quiz last week. Dah ada. Tapi kita recall balik. Mungkin ada yang tak join last week. Okay. So, now X ni antara tiga benda teacher cakap tadi. Length, area and volume. So, example 1 ni regarding which one among those three? Length ke, area ke, volume? Class?
Length.
We want length. We want to compare length here. Okay. So, kalau nak compare length, I told you to use a pyramid which is IOK. Okay, kita akan guna yang ni. Alright. When you are given two objects, two shapes like this, okay, in the topic similar shapes, okay, ini yang teacher masukkan, dia dalam soalan, dia tak ada yang mana satu objek, mana image. Tapi saya nak you guys decide sendiri. You boleh tetapkan sendiri yang mana you nak jadikan objek, yang mana you jadikan image. Lepas tu, the calculation have to follow as regarding to what you have fixed. Apa yang dah tetapkan. Okay, sekarang teacher nak tetapkan object is triangle A, image is triangle B. Ni saya tetapkan sendiri. Okay. So now I have 5 centimeter on the bottom and 15 centimeter on the bottom as well for the image. Okay. Dari sini kita panggil ni the 5 centimeter on the bottom and 15 centimeter on the bottom. Both of this we call this as corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. Sisi yang sama. Kita boleh compare dia. Okay. So from here, first step, macam mana nak guna piramid ni, kita akan cari K dulu. Every time you nak jawab soalan similar, area ke, length ke, volume ke, cari K dulu. That's the most important thing. Find your scale factor. Okay, let's look for K, which is I over O. Okay, sebab saya dah tetapkan yang triangle B ni as image, so I will take 15 over 5. So simplify this, I will get 3. So my K is equals 3. Okay, next, I'm looking for this side. Okay, X ni duduk dalam image. So, I'm looking for image now. So, saya tulis image is object times K. Alright, nak cari object that is correspond to X. X ni duduk sisi sebelah kanan. On your right hand side. Okay, let me change other color. Cannot use yellow. I have to use yellow. Okay. It's your right hand side on triangle B. So the corresponding side dia akan jadi 3. Yang tu kita akan compare sebab dia sama-sama duduk sebelah kanan. So the object here it will be 3. The image is 3 times K. K kita ni sini. So 3 times 3 which is 9 centimeter. That's our answer. X is 9 centimeter. Dan, okay, siaplah. Contoh kalau nak compare length. Let's moving on. Next, we want to compare similar shapes. We want to know the area. Okay. When we talk about area, the formula that I have given you in previous note is AI equal K square times AO. Okay, class. Kita akan guna ni. AI equal K square times AO. Alright. So, first step, seperti saya cakap tadi, apa-apa soalan similar kena cari K dulu. Alright, macam mana nak cari K untuk soalan ni? Kita tengok ni. Kita ada 7 cm and 28 cm and they are corresponding sides. Saya tulis untuk kali kedua. We call this corresponding sides. So, guna piramid IOK, cari K dulu, image per object. Okay, before kita nak masukkan image apa, objek apa, tetapkan. Decide on your own. So, I decide this is object, this is image. Oh, sorry. This is image. Okay. Shape A adalah objek, shape B adalah image. So, saya akan masukkan dalam formula K equals I over O, 28 over 7. Okay, simplify class. Jom simplify. Sifir berapa ni? 28 bagi 7 dapat berapa? What is 28 divide 7?
4.
4. Okay, so K equals 4. Alright, dah dapat K equals 4, baru boleh guna formula area yang saya tulis kat atas tu. AI equal K square times AO. Alright, now the question want us work out the area of shape A. Okay, sekarang ni saya dah tetapkan shape A adalah objek. So, I am looking for my area object ataupun AO. So, input this, AI equal K square times AO. Replace the information that we know. AI is 320. I took from here. Okay, area of B. K square is 4 square. I took from here. Kita dah kira tadi. And AO benda tak tahu. So, tulis je AO dulu. Okay, next class. Yang ni dah melibatkan linear equation ataupun algebra. Kita dah belajar. So, kita nak cari AO, nak cari yang ni tak tahu. Sini darab. So, what need to do is 320 divides 4 square. So, yang ni, let's press our calculator. Okay, I give you 2 minutes. Press your calculator. What's the answer? 320 divides 4 square. Ataupun 320 divides 16. What's your answer to S? Please find this. Now, 220 bagi 16. Dapat berapa?
20.
20? 20. Okay, so 20 centimeters square. I hope you are right. 320 divide 16. Yes, 20. My calculator said so as well. Yes, yeah. So, dapatlah jawapan area of shape A. Okay, that's how we use. Untuk soalan example 2 ni, you tengok, I guna dua-dua. Pyramid IOK untuk dapatkan K dulu. Lepas tu, I gunakan formula AI equal K square times AO. So, ada dua formula kita pakai kat sini. Okay, let's take a look example number 3 when it involves volume. Okay, anyone remember what's the formula I wrote untuk volume? Apa kita akan guna? Class, what's the formula we are going to use kalau melibatkan volume?
VI equal K cube
K
times
cube time.
VO.
Very good. Okay. VI is volume image. K cube is scale factor cube times VO is volume object. Okay, dapat di soalan, decide terus. Tetapkan terus mana objek, mana image. So, teacher nak tetapkan yang kecil ni objek, yang besar ni image. Okay, saya tulis sendiri dekat soalan. Dia tak bagi kita tetapkan sendiri. Okay, dia kata volume A 600 cm cubic. So, I tulis kat sini volume 600 cm cubic. Work out volume B. Okay, volume yang ni tak tahu. So, I buat X. Alright. So, now, A tu saya dah tetapkan sebagai objek. So, VO, saya ada info VO 600. Saya ada VI, saya tak tahu. VI saya bagi sebagai X. Okay, bila nak guna formula VI equals K cube times VO, satu benda kita wajib tahu, wajib cari dulu. Apa dia? What is it, class? Apa yang kita kena tahu yang tak ada lagi? We need to know
Scale factor.
scale factor. K nak cari. Okey, apa formula nak cari K? K kita akan guna pyramid IOK. So, K is image per object. Okey, so kita ambil image, ambil CC. Maksud image kat sini kita ambil side. Alright, so we'll take this one. 22 and 11, they are corresponding sides. Okay, dia ada bagi dekat tu. Even though the unit given 22 meter for the base of B image and untuk A 11 meter, sebab kita mencari scale factor, class. So scale factor dia tak ada unit. So sebab kalau diperasan kat sini meter per meter dia akan hilang. Okay, so it doesn't matter walaupun the volume given in centimeter cubic, okay, jawapan volume image kita pun nanti dalam centimeter cubic, tak ada masalah kalau dia bagi sides tu dalam meter. Okay, sebab dua-dua dah dalam meter, you boleh divide terus. Unless, kecuali, except if one of the side given is meter, another one centimeter. Different unit, you tak boleh bagi macam ni. You kena tukar dulu, pastikan unit dia sama, baru boleh dapatkan dia punya scale factor. Baru boleh dapatkan K. Okay, 22 divide 11. Yang ni siapa-siapa pun boleh divide. Very easy. 22 divide 11 is 2. So, kita dapat dah K equals 2. Baru masukkan dalam formula VI equals K cube times VO. Okay, kita nak cari VI. VI tetapkan sebab VI memang tak tahu. K cube is 2 cube. Ambil daripada sini. Times VO is 600. 600 come from the question. Okay, it comes from here. Alright. So, 2 cube. What is 2 cube, class? Berapa 2 cube?
8.
8. Okay, so 8 times 600.
4,800.
4,800. Very good. Siapa yang jawab tu? Teacher nampak tuannya. Who was that? Tak mengaku tuannya. Suara siapa tu? Nak cakap tahniah. Good job. Okay. So, volume of pyramid B dah dapatlah jawapan. 4,800 cm cubic. Mana teacher dapat cm cubic tu? Dari sini, kelas. Sebab dia bagi cm cubic untuk volume A. Volume B pun cm cubic. Siap. We are done. Okay. So itu tiga. There are those three examples how to compare and how to use length, and then how to compare areas, and the third one how to compare volume. Okay. Next, teacher nak share contoh-contoh example of past year's question. Okay, kita tengok terus soalan past year IGCSE and CCP. Yang ni I combine dua-dua. I ambil CCP pun ada, IGCSE pun ada. This is the real exam question. Okay, let's look at how it will appear in your exam. Alright, look at this question. You're given two shapes here. Looks like ada kasut kan? Logo macam ni. Kasut jenama apa Bukan Adidas.
Nike.
Nike Nike macam ni Nike bukan tanda right tu. Tak ingat. Macam Nike tapi I don't know. Thank you Hakim by the way. Is it Hakim? Was it Hakim? Alright, kita tengok ini. The diagram shows two similar figure. Okay, bila you dapat soalan exam, dia akan cakap benda ni similar. Okay. The areas of figures are 5 cm square and 7.2 cm square. The lengths of bases are L and 6.9. Okay. Calculate the value of L. Okay, dah ada jawapan kat situ. The answer is 5.75. Okay, what matters here now, we want to see how to solve this one. Macam mana nak dapatkan 5.75? Alright. First of all, bila diberikan area, terus ingat dalam kepala AI is K square times AO. Okay, that's the first thing. Alright. So, dalam soalan ni, you tak boleh nak cari K guna, you would not find K by using image per object. Sebab you tak ada information yang cukup untuk nak cari size. So, you akan gunakan area. So, K square, tengok betul-betul I tulis macam ni. K square, if I would leave K alone, kita belajar algebraic scale. So, dia akan jadi AI over AO class. I will bring over AO to the other side. Sebab nak tinggalkan K square alone. So now, K square is AI over AO. I pun ambil, I tetapkan dulu, I lupa tadi. Objek yang kecil, image yang besar. So AI 7.2, AO 5. So I pun tulis K square is 7.2 over 5. Okay, from here you will find your K by square root. You square root 7.2 over 5. So, masukkan dalam calculator. Okay. Simbol square root 7.2 over 5. Okay, dapatlah 1.2. As shown in my calculator here, 1.2 is our K. Kalau tak dapat 1.2, dapat dalam bentuk pecahan. 6 over 5. Boleh juga, tak ada masalah. Alright, so K is 1.2. Okay, I dapat K equals 1.2. Now, what to do with this? Okay, we are looking, let's look at back the question. We are looking for L. And we have here 6.9. Alright, so this one, sekarang ni, formula area kita ada guna. AI equals K square times AO. Next, kita nak guna formula apa agak-agaknya untuk dapatkan L. L centimeter tu. Is this length? Is this volume? Or is this area? L ni apa? Length. Okay. Bila length, kita akan pakai pyramid. Alright. So, kita akan pakai pyramid. Object. Kita nak tahu object. I. Okay. So, object is image per K. So, object is image over K. Jadi, kita ambil image kita 6.9 over K kita yang kita baru kira tadi 1.2. So 6.9 over 1.2. Put it in your calculator. 6.9 over 1.2. You will get 23 over 4 or 5.75. So So the answer for L is 5.75 centimeter. Okay, let me zoom out. Yeah, sama dengan answer scheme, 5.75. Alright, is that clear? Boleh?
Boleh.
So far, so good?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, jom kita tengok lagi contoh kedua. Another example of past year question. Okay, this time you have a cereal box. A company sells cereal boxes which measure 10 cm by 25 cm by 35 cm. Okay, class, 10 by 25 by 35 ni dia kita panggil, this is we call as dimension. Dimensions of the box. Okay. They make a special edition box which is mathematically similar to the original box. The volume of the special edition is 15120. Work out the dimensions of this box. Okay. Okay, class. So now, dia nak kita cari dimensions of the special edition. Okay, jawapan dia ada kat sini dah. Kita dapat 12 cm by 30 by 42. But the big question is how to get this answer. Alright, class. So, first, I will regard. Macam saya cakap tadi, setiap soalan similarity, kita, we, on our own, decide which is object, which is image. Supaya senang untuk kita buat jalan kira. So, I will regard the original box. Okay, sekarang ni, let's decide original box as object and special edition as image. Okay. Jadi, the volume of special edition yang ni dalam soalan ni adalah VI. Kita angkat dia sebagai volume image. Okay, now, what you need to find for every question of similarity, macam saya cakap tadi, sentiasa ingat dalam kepala, benda yang harus dicari yang pertama sekali adalah K, which is scale factor. Bila nak cari scale factor untuk soalan ni, kita tak boleh nak cari guna IOK. Kita tak boleh guna juga AI equals K square times AO sebab tak ada information yang cukup tentang area. Tapi kita ada volume. So, bila kita ada volume, kita akan guna formula VI equals K cube times VO. We will use this one. Okay, class. So, what we will do, sikit ni besar sangat tulisan saya, so tak muat. Okay. Alright. So, I write it down back. VI equals K cube times V. VI dah ada, which is 15120. K cube tak tahu, ini yang kita nak cari. Okay. Times VO. VO ni nak dapat daripada mana? Kita akan ambil daripada this one. Dimensions of the box. 10 times 25 times 35. Okay, 10 times 35 times 35. Okay, kira yang tu dulu, kelas. Can you please calculate that? 10, put in your calculator. 10 times 25 times 35. 10, darat 25, darat 35 sekarang. What do you get?
8750.
Very good. 8750. Okay, so kita tulis 15120 equals K cube times 87850. Okay. Now, nak dapatkan K cube is 15120 over 87850. Okay. 10 times 25 times 55. Oh, 8750. Sorry, saya silap tulis. 8750. Tak ada 8. 8750. Okay. Pardon me. Dekatkan sikit. 8750. Silap dengar. Okay. So, nak dapatkan K sahaja, kita kena cube root. So, jawapan kita nanti. So 15120 divide 8750 dapat 1.728. Okay. Cube rootkan jawapan ni. Cube root 15120 over 8750 dapat 1.2. Okay. We got the answer K equal 1.2. Okay. Bila dah dapat K equals 1.2, the question want us to fill in this. Okay, macam mana nak dapat benda ni? Okay, saya tulis balik dimensions asal. Dimensions asal, the original dimensions was 10 cm by 25 cm by 35 cm. Okay, kita dah dapatkan K equals 1.2. Now, the original dimension, teacher cakap, teacher decide. I decide on my own. This is my object. So, the special addition adalah my image. Jadi, kita akan guna pyramid IOK. Bila nak dapatkan image, image is object times K. So, sekarang ni 10. Nak dapatkan jawapan times with 1.2. Sebab K kita dapat tadi K 1.2. 25 times 1.2 as well and 35 times 1.2. Okay. 10 times 1.2 dapat 12. Betul. 25 times 1.2. Kalau tak ada congak, jom kita tekan calculator. 25 times 1.2. Yeay, dapat 30. Sebab tu jawapan dia 30. Okay. Try you put in your calculator. Betul tak yang last one? 35 times 1.2 dapat 42. Is it correct? Betul tak? Betul.
Betul.
Kan? 35 times 1.2 dapat 42. So that's how you got your answer. Siap lah. Okay. So this is a real or original IGCSE question. Okay. Let's move on to the next saya dah sediakan. Yang ni pula. A model of a ship is made to a scale of 1 to 200. Surface area of the model is 7500. Calculate area of the ship in square meters. Okay, sekarang ni bagi jawapan dalam square centimeter. Dia nak dia bagi soalan dalam square centimeter. Dia nak jawapan dalam square meters. Alright. Okay, class. For this one, first kali decide yang mana object, yang mana image. So this ship, the ship regard as object. Di atas kita model ship I regard as image. Okay, so sekarang saya ada VI equal 7500. No, not VI, area. I'm sorry, AI. Area 7500. Okay, kita ada scale. Scale dia bagi 1 to 200. So ni K is 1 over 200. Okay guys, so kalau you ada dalam bentuk scale macam ni, you akan tulis macam ni. K, scale factor is 1 over 200. Okay, so bila dah ada AI, dah ada K, kita gunalah formula AI equals K square times AO. So, 7500 equal 1 over 200 in bracket square, sebab scale factor tu kena square, times AO. AO tak tahu. Area of ship. Kita nak cari area of ship sekarang. Saya dah decide, I have decided that ship is my object. So now to find AO, 7500, you have to divide with 1 over 200 square. Okay. Sebab kat sini jarak. Okay, bila kita nak simplify dia, kita nak hilangkan 1 over 200 tu, sebenarnya kita divide. So kita divide 7500 with 1 over 200. So I will put this in my calculator. Cara dia macam ni. 7500 divides, put bracket. Okay, tolong bracket dulu. 1/200 in big bracket. Barulah square kat luar. Macam ni. Okay, you have to be careful. Sebab bukannya 200 kat bawah tu yang square. Semua orang square. So, dia akan jadi macam ni Okay, 7500 divide 1/200 square dapat 300 million. Okay, kita salin dulu jawapan kita. 300 million. 300, lepas ada 6 lagi kosong kat belakang. 300, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this one is in the unit of centimeter square. Macam mana saya tahu? Sebab tadi saya kira dalam centimeter square. Soalan dia nak dalam square meters. Maksud dia nak meter square. Okay kelas, so recall kita dah belajar sebelum pada ni. Last week pun saya ada ingatkan. Okay, contoh meter nak jadi cm, kita times 100. Tapi kalau meter square nak jadi centimeter square times 100 square. So now you nak cm square, undur balik jadi meter square. So you kena divide 100 square. So the answer it will become area of object is 300 million over 100 square. You kena per dengan 100 square. So this answer divides 100 square. We got 30,000. So the answer is 30,000 meter square. Sama tak dengan jawapan? Sama. Okay. Okay, so this is another important thing in this topic when you have unit conversion. Hari ni kita belajar speed and acceleration. Pun penting juga unit conversion ni. Okay, so kena ingat yang ni bila unit conversion melibatkan area kena square. Tak boleh divide 100 je, divide 100 square. Okay. I will skip this one. Kita nak masuk contoh ini pula. Okay, this is from your Collins textbook. Okay, let's look at the cone. The ratio of the height of P to the height of Q is 5 to 4. The volume of P is 150. Okay, saya tulis sini volume yang ni 150. Find volume Q. Volume Q tak tahu. Okay, dia kata ratio of the height is 5 to 4. Okay class, so sekarang ni kalau lah kita anggap yang ni objek, P object, Q image, okay. So K, remember K, pyramid kita IOK, K is image per object. Jadi dia bagi ratio P to Q. Object to image 5 to 4. Okay, so kalau K kita dia akan jadi 4/5 lah. Sebab image dulu. Tak super ni. So K kita 4/5 dah dapat K. Nak cari volume. So kita akan buat formula VI equals K cube times VO. Okay, VI tak tahu times 4/5 cube. Volume object ni yang dia bagi 150. So just put it in your calculator like this. In bracket 4/5. Close the bracket and then you go off 350. 150. I silap. 150. So we got 76.8. 76.8. Is that correct the answer? Yes. The answer saya bagi kat bawah ni 6.8. Betul. Okay. I think it has been so much example dah banyak example saya bagi. I hope you can score the quiz after this. Hari ni saya akan bagi quiz, link quiz. Ada yang dah jawab quiz ke? Kalau dah jawab tak apa, jawab lagi sekali biar dapat markah yang tinggi. Okay. Alright, look at this one. Okay, kita try soalan ni pula. Erin's model yacht. Yacht ni kapal layar. Has a mast that is 40 cm high. She dreams of having a real yacht with a mass of 4 meter high. Okay. Unit berbeza sini. 40 cm, 4 meter. The sail on her model has area 600 cm square. What's the area in the real? Okay, give answer in meter square. Okay, class. First kali cari K. Sebelum cari K, decide. Okay, let's decide. Model, saya nak jadikan dia image. Real, saya nak jadikan dia objek. Okay, so yang ni adalah image, 40 cm tu image, 4 meter ni objek. Okay, so K is I over O, image saya 40 cm, objek saya 4 meter. So tak boleh bahagi lagi, jadikan dia unit yang sama. So 40 cm over 400 cm, so barulah dapat 0.1. Okay, so dapat K 0.1. So now, dah dapat K 0.1, nak cari area. Sekarang ni, model, area dia 600. So yang ni adalah area image. Kita cari area objek. So AI equals K square times AO. Area image 600. K square 0.1 square times AO. So you cari AO 600 divides 0.1 square. Okay, 600. Okay, korang kira lah. Class, can you calculate this? 600 divided 0.1 square. Berapa dapat? Someone to ask. Hello? Class? Are you guys listening?
Yes.
600 bagi 0.1
Hello?
square. Hello?
Hi.
Hai, teacher minta tolong kira 600 divide 0.1 square dapat berapa?
60,000.
60,000, banyaknya ya. Okey, betul. Very good. Okey. So kita dapat 60,000 yang ni dalam unit apa ni? Unit centimeter square. Okay, so now the questions one in the unit of meter square. So meter cm square nak tukar kepada meter square, you have to divide 100 square. So try sekarang, kita sambung 60,000 divides 100 square. Dapat tak? 60,000 divides 100 square. Dapat. I got it in my calculator. It show here 6 is the answer. So dapatlah 6 meter square. Sama dengan jawapan. Ya. Okey, baru siap soalan A. Soalan B. We're almost at the end of our class. I will try to finish it up before 4:45. Kita buat sampai 2 jam lah. Okay, soalan B. The real yacht has a hull volume of 20 meter cube. What is the hull volume of her model yacht? Okay, sekarang ni cerita pasal volume pula. The real one. So tadi saya dah decide real adalah objek. So saya tulis sini VO 20 meter cube. Dia nak cari VI berapa. Okay. So kali ni guna formula VI equals K cube times VO. So K kita 0.1 cubes. Okay. K ambil je yang sama dengan soalan A tadi VO kita 20. So 0.1 cube times 20. 0.1 cube times 20. Dapat 0.02. Okay. 0.02 ni meter kubik. 0.02 is meter cubic. Soalan dia kata give answer in centimeter cubic. Okay, meter nak pergi pada sentimeter, kita times 100. Betul? So kalau meter cubic nak tukar pada centimeter cubic times 100 cubic. Okay, so you kena buat 0.02 times 100 cube. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam hello, Assalamualaikum. Sorry. Dia terkeluar lagi. Oh no. Hello? Can you guys hear me now?
Hello, hello. Yes.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, yeah.
Tadi tiba-tiba saya hilang
Yeah.
Hehehe. Okay, how about now? Nampak ke skrin soalan teacher? Tak nampak?
No.
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 Sekejap ya. Okay. Let's try to share the screen again. Share screen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 3, 2, 1.